With the price of 3D printers dropping, I finally joined the club and bought one. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon. I'm sure with Black Friday sales and Christmas, I won't be the only one. As soon as I got up to speed, I immediately put it to work on some projects for the Behringer Wing. There's a laptop riser out there, but you can't use it with a console with a doghouse. So I did a remix of it that allows you to use it with a mixer in a case with a doghouse, and I also made several changes to it to get the printing time way down to around 3 hours instead of a day and a half. It maybe doesn't look as cool, but it's just as functional, and it also saves on filament as well. I always thought the Behringer X32 had the headphone jacks pretty much perfectly placed. But the full-size wing, when it's in a case with a doghouse, it's a real pain to get to. So I got a ready-made cable from Amazon, link below of course, and I ultimately settled on this print that I screwed to the side of the doghouse. Much easier to plug and unplug the headphones now. And speaking of headphones, I also made a clip that basically snaps into the Pro X full-size wing case and gives me a place to hang my headphones. It seems like there's never room on the tech table. At least not these days with laptops, comms, radios, UPSs, and who knows what else. Tonight's project is a couple pieces for a prototype tablet stand to put on the doghouse or a table. I have a couple things to test before I finalize it, so this might not be the final print. Something else I built is this box for testing Ethercon cables. It utilizes a tester from Amazon, links below, and also some Ethercon pass-through connectors. I'm getting an account to upload these designs so that you'll be able to download them. I'll link that below. If you have a site you think I should use, let me know in the comments. It's not just stuff for the wing I'm making. Everything from replacement parts, like for broken mic clips, to speaker stand cable management clips, to RF mic holders, there are these dummy RJ45s to keep people, including myself, from connecting to the wrong port on the router. Tools like these Neutrik tools. Even a print of the Grinch. Perfect to bring along for the holiday shows. Harbor Freight has magnets to incorporate into different things too. It's been a crash course in 3D printing for me, but it's been fun and useful at the same time. If you've seen any interesting live production prints, let me know in the comments. I'll drop links below. I'll also upload these to the Patreon page. Thanks to the patrons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.